it would be really cool if I didn't have to download your projects and run them. It'd be cool if they were actually hosted on the web, right? I mean, not just for my sake. I mean, it'd be cool if your stuff was actually hosted on the web, because that would be good for you. I might benefit too, but that's beside the point. So these are just normal old static web pages. Nothing special about them. Remember the old question block from the first day. You know, what happens on the server side. It could be heaven knows what. It could run a whole Python app or something that spits back some HTML. This is very simple. It just grabs the file we requested and sends it back, right? So it's a static site. And our code is already on GitHub, right? Well, wouldn't it be cool if GitHub provided static hosting for your repositories? They do! Yay! It's called GitHub Pages. Yeah. I did do that to the afternoon class yesterday. Pages.github.com tells you all about it. Watch a little video if you want. It tells you how to do it, blah, blah, blah. But it's really easy. Let's just go to our repository. Go to Settings. Please do this. Thanks. Go to Settings on your repository. Oh, all kinds of fancy stuff. Scroll down a bit. Ooh, GitHub Pages. Designed to host your personal organization or project pages from a GitHub repository. That's what we want to do. It's currently disabled, though. Well, let's make it not disabled. So then we can select which, if we have multiple branches in our repository, which one should be hosted. Well, you probably only have a master branch, right? In my case, I actually have some other branches for morning and afternoon. So it's not going to be quite so simple for me. Can you just pick master branch out of there? Go ahead and do it. Just settings on your repository up on GitHub. See settings here. And then just scroll down a bit. Say again? And hit save, right. What does it do then? Okay, let me do the thing that I will have to do to make this work. Pay no attention. So you see something like this now? Let you do a custom domain. We don't need to do a custom domain. So where the heck's it hosted? Oh yeah, here it goes. Your site is ready to be published. So the URL is going to be, I think it probably says this here, your GitHub username .github.io, not .com, but your username .github.io / the name of this repository. All the more reason for it not to be /XTBC / whatever, right?
Is this like free?
This,
you have a repository?
yep.
It's like unlimited?
Mm-hmm.
Like as many as you want?
Yep. Anything that's hosted on GitHub.
As long as it's static?
Yeah. Yep. A lot of people do. It's pretty dang nice for static sites. Now, if you get tons and tons of traffic, it's probably not what you want. If you need to do anything fancy, it's probably not what you want either. And you can read, there's a lot more information about everything you can do in the GitHub help. Yeah.
Can you put like multiple projects on one domain or something like that?
So since, as long as you turn on GitHub Pages for all of them, it'll be your username .github.io / the name of that repository. So yeah, you can have more than one of them there. Now, if that's just too hard to write your username dot whatever, it does tell you your site's ready to be published there. So if you click that, you should see it work. Actually do this next part. And here's the best part. Okay, so copy that URL. Go back to your repository. You can get out of the settings and just go back to the actual repository. Just click on the name of the repo up here. You see no description, website, or topics provided. Well, we can add those things. There's an edit button over here to the right. And you can put the website and then there'll be a link to it from the repository, which makes it really easy on people who want to look at your repo and they want to see how this actually works, what it looks like, but they don't necessarily want to clone it and keep a copy of your code. So that makes it super easy for people to check it out. And sure, you could add a description too. First project for Extern Boot Camp 2017, session 3. Cool. Yeah, please do it.